Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Roblox error code 517. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Our first step is to check your internet connection. So for the quick fix, please disable and enable the internet connection, either it may be a Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Yeah, once it's done, we are into the second step is to clear Roblox cache. For that you need to press Windows R, then type percentage local app data percentage slash Roblox. Over there, please click Ctrl A to select all and then delete it. So once it's done, our third step is to flush DNS and reset network. For that, you need to enter into command prompt as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste in the command prompt as one by one, and then hit enter. At last, please type exit to exit from CMD. So fourth step is to change DNS server. So for that, you need to press Windows R and then type ncpa.cpl. Over there, please enter into your network property and then internet protocol. Then click into the properties and make it as 8888 and 8844 and then click OK. So our fifth step is to allow Roblox through Windows firewall. For that, you need to enter into the Windows security. Over there, firewall, and then allow an app through firewall. So please click change settings and please scroll down and find Roblox, and please check whether private and public are enabled. If it is, then click OK. And our sixth step is to reinstall Roblox. For that, you need to enter into the settings and then apps and then installed apps. Over there, please search for Roblox and please do uninstall it, and again you need to install it. Sometimes it may help you to overcome the issue. So seventh step is to update Windows. For that, you need to enter into the settings and then Windows update, and then please click check for update. If in case it shows any other, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. So I think you enjoy my video and I hope the issue will be solved. So that's it guys, thank you.